Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to replace your garage door trim here for your to keep the water and bugs and everything else out. As you can see, this thing here is pretty smashed, and something happened here. Here's the old one from the other door. As you can see, it's got a lot of wear on it, and it just breaks up when you touch it. Here's the new one. Picked this up off of Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just cut this with a razor blade so we can take all these screws out. And so just be careful. We're just going to cut along, and so we're able to access these screws. I'll be right back. All right, I didn't have to cut it. The first one I did, the other door, I had to cut it to get it off to access the screws, but this one here slid right off pretty easy. So now we're just going to go ahead and take these screws out and take this piece of trim off. So I'll be back. Alright, so you really don't have to take this off if you're able to slide your weather stripping off, but I just went ahead and took it off and cleaned it up behind it a little bit. So I'm just going to take a brush and go over this a little bit, then measure my piece of new rubber for the door. This is 9 foot, so I added an extra inch on the first one, which I'm kind of glad I did. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, the fun part is sliding this back on. So, if you got 2 people, that would definitely be ideal. But I did the other one by myself. So, we're just gonna bend this kind of like that, so we can start it on the track. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and got it started. So, kind of hard to see maybe, but there we go. So, kind of just got to work it behind and come out with it. But other than that, once you get it there, you're about done. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got it in. This is how much is left over. So I'm just going to cut it off. I'm going to let it hang over like a ½ inch. So if we go over here on the other side, as you can see, I got it hung over a little bit. So, but don't mind the horse and buggy in the background. But yeah, that's about it. So it'll definitely help out. Here's the other door that's finished. So not too bad. All right, thanks for watching.